Okay, I'm going to show you how to trade your phone in online today. So we're going to go ahead and go to 7startradeinc.com. You can see the URL up there. And we're going to go to sell. Okay, sell your phone. And the carrier we're going to pick is AT&T. The manufacturer is Apple. And we're going to trade in our iPhone 6s. Capacity is going to be 64 gigabytes. And as far as condition goes, our screen has a few scratches on it, which is okay. We can definitely still trade it in as it works fine and everything. Even if it wasn't working, we can still trade in as poor condition. That's no problem. But today we're going to pick good because everything's working all right on the phone. Bad ESN? No, our ESN is fine. The phone's not on an active carrier account. There's no money owed on it or anything like that. There's no iCloud lock. Everything's clear on it. So we're going to hit none of the above. And here's our offer. So we'll hit add to cart. And we'll click checkout because we don't want to add another device. We could if we wanted to, but not today. And then we can make an account. So at this point, we would just put in our account information. If we don't have one already, you just do a guest checkout and create account. And there you go. That's how you do it. It's really not very difficult. And once you put in the order, you can choose to either print a tracking label from your home and send it off through USPS, the post office. That should be no problem. Any sort of blue box, you can drop off the package and they'll pick it up. The other option is you can get a trading kit. So they'll actually send you a trading kit in the mail and it'll give you all the materials you need. So it's free shipping either way to ship your phone. And once they inspect it, it's about 3 to 5 days. Then make sure everything looks good, it's the right phone, all that good stuff. And then if it's PayPal, it's a pretty fast turnaround for uh, getting paid within 48 hours typically. And if it's a bank check that you want, then they'll send that off immediately. And there you go. That's how you do it. All right, take care.